Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TWTR or Twitter. See a lot of talk about this stock lately, especially with the whole buyout from Elon Musk, and I've seen several stories talking about, hey, should I get in right now because it is at a discount to the buyout price. I believe the buyout price is like $54 per share, so seeing this thing trading around 49 right now, if you were able to buy in right now, and this thing does get bought out and the deal is finalized, then you're looking at $54 per share. So that's definitely one way to look at it, and a definite opportunity there because if you bought just like 100 shares of Twitter, that's about a $5 move from where it's trading at right now. So at 100 shares you can make like $500 per 100 shares that you're able to pick up if nothing happens, the deal doesn't fall through. So just kind of want to talk about some of the longer term price action on Twitter. Of course, the buyout is very important. If it goes through, we know the buyout price. Looking at the weekly time frame here, I had covered this a few times recently, and it's definitely been in a downtrend since it peaked out here around 80.75. But some of the recent news and things that have been going on with the stock, it made this massive move, and it's almost back to that trend line, this downtrend line that I threw up here on the weekly chart. So of course, the buyout is a big deal here, and we know what's going to happen if that finalizes. But kind of setting that aside and just looking at the price action here, it's made a really big hard move. It's finally above the 100-day EMA on this time frame, on this weekly. You can see it really pumped super hard here on some news, I think, about Elon buying it. This was 4 weeks ago. But then the selling pressure came in like crazy and stomped it down and left this massive wick sticking out. It dipped a little below. Then we had a big gap up and a bullish engulf, and then another gap up, but then a sell off. But that still puts it above the 100-day EMA. And I'm curious to see if this thing does continue to trickle up and move towards this trend line, like what's going to happen here. If this thing rallies all the way up to this trend line and then starts to sell off, that could be, a little bit of a swing trade opportunity to go short. But of course, the buyout can totally change what we're seeing here with the price action in the charts. Because as soon as that thing finalizes, if it does, and it's a done deal, we know what's going to happen. We know the buyout price. But I just kind of wanted to talk about outside of that, like what is the price action telling me here on the weekly chart. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker TWTR or Twitter. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.